Hi there, I'm Kate Zentall. I'm a JWT Abby Freeman artist in residence. You've probably seen me in a number of JWT shows over the years. Here's a piece I wrote for Inside Our Time entitled Life in the Time of the Coronavirus. Think of it this way, my friend Alice wrote to me. We are not having to hide in an attic. And she's right, of course. And then I see on Facebook, your grandparents were called to war. You're being called to sit on your sofa. You can do this. Check. Which makes me feel all the more wretched for struggling against my confinement. Like a bird flown into our condo by mistake, constantly banging into the walls and ceilings. And yet, birds find life in cages too. And sometimes, they even sing. I hope that you, in these times, find some reason to sing, or even maybe just hum a little. We're all in this together. We wish you well at Jewish Women's Theater, and we're here for you in whatever way we can be. And we'll be here for you when this is all over. Take care. Bye-bye for now.